You know, say with time, I can't really dey believe say some of all this fight for the internet na really distraction. Yes. With time, I can't dey believe say some of these things when they happen for the internet na really distraction. Una no really know wetin dey happen for this country. If you remember last year when GMO wahala come, they use aproko doctor take push the narrative make Nigerians no dey plant seed for their own soil. We wan get one of the best soil when it come to farming. They say make we no dey plant again, make we go dey buy for America, right? When this whole thing take place, people call the vex. Why na go say make we no dey plant seed, GMO this, GMO that. Within that time and before this plan come up, they come first set quarrel for the internet between celebrities, between MCs, between people come use the internet. Everybody come leave the GMO wahala, come go dey face two adults when they quarrel. After they don quarrel finish, now somebody for Twitter come tell una say this thing so na distraction. See the war when dey ground now. Na there everybody eye come up say sure. Say I dey be. The moment everybody turn face the GMO wahala, we no come hear about the quarrel again. Na the GMO come dey face. Now another one don dey happen now. Everybody don dey turn face another thing. See, in as much as I love VDM and whatever he is doing right now, not take that quarrel with Mishi personal. Na their two. Leave their two. Make their two battle their battle. You see wetin dey on ground. Na wetin go affect me and you and our children in time to come. The hospital and your pharmacy when you say they take medication, they don hand over and give America and France. More na dey put una ear down for things when they happen for this country. Na Bill-Gates dey fund all your hospitals and your pharmacies. Now as me and you dey talk so. And the medication wey be like say Bill-Gates dey bring out now, when they deploy out to the people, na to stop women from giving birth. What I dey tell you now, so if you decide dey lie, you can go and make research. Google is there, Wikipedia is there, ChatGPT is there. I no dey like many talk and many arguments. If you think say I dey lie, go out there and do your research. Leave all this internet battle alone first. If VDM get problem with somebody, make their two dey dig am. Then as I two dey dig am, anytime the government come with our own, more dey dig am too. As you dey talk now, National Assembly has been on fire because of electoral reform law. It has been on fire. Then from there, Umahi with that lady, they cash am out. Yes, now make we cash the government too. I know wetin I dey tell una. Bill-Gates don already sign this deal with your Nigeria healthcare system. Your president don tick am. Everybody for your country, all the leaders for your country, they don tick am. Na Bill-Gates go dey fund your hospital. Na go dey give them medication. And the medication wey Bill-Gates dey bring come so na to deprive women from being pregnant. Una no dey understand wetin I dey talk o. Go and do your research, you go understand that. Not be every time when they talk online just to secure my page, but go and do your research. A lot of things is happening. So we go there now. Woman go hospital, doctor go package her. They go give her medicine or injection. The next thing won't go damage. Now, I'll tell you one reason why all these things they happen now. So as at 2025, World Health Organization released a statement that the children when Nigeria are born, not be full Africa, the children when only Nigeria born, the children when they born for only Nigeria, e plenty pass on when they born for both British comprises of UK, the England, the Scotland, or the full British, China, how do they call am, America, Germany, children wey dey born for only Nigeria plenty pass the one wey dey born for the full Europe. Una no understand. Children wey dey born for only Nigeria plenty pass children wey dey born for the full Europe, the whole Europe country. If you combine France, combine Germany, combine British, combine Luxembourg, all the Europe countries, even Portugal, e no reach children wey only Nigeria born. You dey understand? So the most populated black race in the world is Nigeria, and dem dey fear population because na population dey take dey conquer the world. So dem dey fear population. Because of that fear, dem wan reduce population of Africa. This plan don dey since when we dey secondary school 2006 2012. That time, if you observe, there's what we call New World Order. This New World Order, this plan don dey since, not be even today the plan dey. This New World Order plan, e don dey since. So they find way to take execute the plans dem. Just that everything wey dem dey push to Africa, no one dey work. Na dem bring HIV, na only dem create the sickness, the virus. Dem come inject am for people body, pay those people, inject am for their body. Na only dem carry am come Africa, come inflate am on us, put am for different things for our body. You dey understand? Then dem comot for there, dem come still bring Lassa fever, bring COVID-19, which is coronavirus. Now dem dey create these things by themselves. Dem go come carry am come Africa. Other African countries, Zimbabwe don reject this offer wey I dey tell you so. Other African countries dey reject am. But e reach our Nigeria now, we accept am. Bro, na go this country dey so. You no go feel sick or find your system somehow funny for your body, make you run go hospital for medication. E no go dey o, because that place is not trusted. So I'm advising all of you, focus on herbs. Focus on the herbs treatment o, because na only the herbs now go fit help you. Everybody go, in fact, go back to your bush, go focus on herb. Because wetin dey happen now, wetin dey come now, so real medication from your doctors, from your pharmacy can no longer help you anymore in time to come. E fit never dey now, but I dey tell you about in time to come. A word is enough for the wise. Not be everything don't be every secret I go pull, but just dey tell una, go and do your research. If you think say I dey lie, go and do your research about everything when I just talk. I no go talk past like this again o. Those wey get ear, make dem hear, and those wey get sense, make dem do the right thing. I rest my case.